This video will show you how to search through thousands of digitized collection materials online at Yale. While many Yale Library digital collections can be searched by researchers from outside Yale, the instructions in this video are specifically for Yale faculty, staff, and students who have access to the Yale VPN. Start at the Yale Library website, library.yale.edu. If you are off campus, make sure you are connected to Yale's VPN prior to searching. For information on setting up VPN, go to ask.library.yale.edu. Let's imagine you are searching for images related to Paul Rudolph. You can begin your search using Quick Search. Then choose View and Filter Results at the top of the Digital Collections Results preview. You can limit your search using the facets on the left side of the results page. In this case, we can limit to Paul Rudolph as a creator. From there, we have a smaller list of results to choose from. When clicking on the item record, pay special attention to the source note. This field will give you information on where the image came from, such as the collection or if the image is a scan from a book. By clicking on the thumbnail, you will see a larger version of the image. Many digital collections include a citation field. The citation field will give you information on how to credit the image. Please keep in mind that not all images in Yale's digital collections are free of copyright restrictions. If you have questions about how you can use these images, contact the library that owns the image. If you have any additional questions, visit ask.library.yale.edu.